Welcome to this video tutorial on restricted channels. If you've ever wanted channels for only images or videos, or for using just commands in, then the MEE6 restricted channels feature is what you need. Log into the MEE6 dashboard. Click on the moderator link on the left side, which will take you to the moderator page. Restricted channels is at the bottom of the page below automated rule sets and automated actions, which have been covered in separate videos. To create a restricted channel, first select the channel you want to be restricted. Next, select the restrictions you want for the channel, then click on Save. If you want more than one restricted channel, click on the Add Channel button, then repeat the setup process. You can have just one type of restriction, for example commands only, or you can have any combination of these, for example images and videos. If you want to change restrictions on a channel, you can do this by using the switches, or you can remove restrictions altogether by clicking on the delete icon next to the channel, then click on Save. The commands restriction will only allow commands to be used in the channel. These include legacy prefix versions of commands, as well as /command versions. Any custom commands created in the Custom Commands plugin can also be used. If you have Premium and have changed the legacy prefix, then commands restrictions will allow your custom prefix instead of the default exclamation mark. The images restriction will only allow uploaded images or URLs directly to images in the channel. Images and URLs must be one of the listed formats. If you try to add GIFs with the button in Discord, they will be deleted. This is because the URL does not end in .gif and MEE6 considers these to be videos. The videos restriction will only allow uploaded videos or URLs directly to videos in the channel. Videos and URLs must be one of the listed formats. Links to YouTube, Twitch and Vimeo, as well as adding GIFs with the button in Discord, are all permitted. The additional settings section lets you enable messages to members in a private message and/or in the channel if their message is deleted. Two things to note with restricted channels. Firstly, you cannot create threads from images or videos to discuss these. MEE6 will delete any messages that aren't permitted. Secondly, there is no immunity for any role in these channels. Even admins and server owners will have messages deleted that aren't permitted. That covers restricted channels. Do check out the other Managing MEE6 tutorials.